The US Navy just showed us how it could fight the Chinese fleet. With stealthy robots, sophisticated communication systems and powerful warships firing high-tech missiles over long distances. The Navy last week sortied from San Diego a flotilla of manned and unmanned surface vessels and submarines. Crews positioned unmanned aerial vehicles to support the ships. The stealth cruiser USS Michael Monsoor, sporting what appeared to be an experimental communication system on its flight deck, led the other ships from Destroyer Squadron 21 into the Pacific Ocean. What followed was a series of experiments and mock battles combining manned and unmanned systems. Robot boats sailing alongside nearshore littoral combat ships. An attack submarine launching an underwater drone. UAVs flying overhead the whole time. The so-called fleet problem was a preview of the Navy's possible future as it reconfigures for high-tech warfare against Chinese forces. The People's Liberation Army is deploying anti-access systems including submarines, bombers and missiles that could make the Western Pacific a very dangerous place for American ships. The Navy is betting on drones to help solve the anti-access problem. The service has proposed to add hundreds of unmanned ships and submarines to its existing fleet of around 300 manned vessels. The idea is for robots to scout for Chinese ships, extending the U.S. fleet's sensor range and helping manned shooters, destroyers and submarines stay outside the PLA's own engagement zone. Great plan. Would it work in the real world? The April fleet problem is a strong indication it just might. After several days of experimentation, the Navy on Sunday staged an impressive test of arguably its most promising manned-unmanned concept. The amphibious ship USS Anchorage disgorged a barge simulating an enemy warship. The barge apparently carried emitters duplicating radios, radars, and other electronics. The destroyer USS John Finn stood off over the horizon. Exactly how far away is a secret and initiated a hunt for the pretend enemy ship. UAVs and robot boats crisscrossed the ocean. To avoid detection, they kept their active sensors off. Instead, they used their passive electronic receivers to listen for the enemy's own electronic emissions. The drones pinpointed the barge and passed the data to a satellite, which related to John Finn. The destroyer fired an SM-6 missile. The $5 million missile, which can hit targets on the sea or in the air, struck the barge well beyond the line of sight, according to the Navy. It's unclear just how far the missile traveled. In theory, the supersonic SM-6 can strike targets as far away as 300 miles. The distance involved is one reason to celebrate.